Okay, my name is Jumanne Mtambalike. I'm the community manager of Buni Hub, which is a local innovation space in Dar es Salaam.
So what sort of people does Buni Hub cater for?
So most of the people who are using the hub, they're university students from the surrounding universities, including University of Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology, and St. Joseph College of Engineering. And occasionally we have students from other parts of Tanzania, especially when it's holiday season.
And what sorts of things can people do when they come here? What are the categories, in a sense, of activity?
So we have 4 programs at Buni. We have the internship program, which is targeting university students, and its primary focus is to build their capacity and develop their skills. But also we have Buni Makerspace, which is focusing on mechatronics project. So individuals with ideas or prototype, or they want to pilot something related to electronics or engineering, they can come and do it here. But again, we have the mentorship program, which is targeting people with ideas. So when you want to scale your idea into an early stage business, you come to Buni and you'll be given a mentor for that. And lastly, we have the community outreach program, which is solely targeting communities that are coming from the university. So we help students to build the community, which are aiming at supporting them at the university level even before coming to Buni. This also helps Buni to get the right kind of people coming to the hub.
And at the moment you've got how many active members?
So active members right now, they are between 300 to 400. Although this year we have received more than 1,800 registration requests. And
your hub has generated one of the first 3D printed printers. Explain to me that and the drone that was also made recently.
Yeah. So it's part of the Makerspace, which is one of our latest programs at Buni, which has been supported by COSTECH, an organization from UK called Tech for Trade. We piloted the first project, which is related with 3D printers. The aim was to use 3D printer to do different kind of prototypes and to help in rapid prototyping in projects that are located in Africa. But this project scaled out and we tried to build the first e-waste 3D printer, and we are able to build it using recyclable electronic waste. So the 3D printer is built out of used motors and used metal rod and some other part of used electronics devices. So that is the 3D printer project. The next stage of the project is to mass produce the printers. We are looking for potential partnership with VETA, which is a vocational education training organization in Tanzania, or SIDO, small scale industry organization, to see if we can replicate the concept and produce more printers.
And how did the drone come about?
So the drone project was part of our internship program. We received a team of students from Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology, and one of them, he has not even yet entered the university. His name is Rahim. So they wanted to make a drone from the scratch instead of just buying a drone. So we had a drone before from a guy called Freddy, called DJI, and we used to play around with it. So they started to hack into the drone and to see if they can make their own drone from the scratch. So they downloaded some of the tools from some of the videos from YouTube and start to check on the process how they can be able to make it. So within 7 to 8 weeks, they are able to make their own drone from the scratch. Of course, everything they've used is from recyclable electronics waste. The only thing which they've not done themselves is the circuit board, which we have imported from outside. And the production cost is around 300 to 400 per drone that they are making right now. We are looking for potential ways of scaling the project.
And if you have an idea, like the ideas we've been talking about, there's a fund, isn't there, that invests? Tell me about the fund and then the startups that have been investing in.
Yeah, so we have some couple of funds. For example, we have the Tanzania City Innovation Fund, which has been supporting early stage entrepreneur. Although I would say it's not enough, because at par it can support 16 to 17 entrepreneurs, and not necessarily from Buni. It's available for the whole country, so anyone can apply. So the competition is a bit stiff. But again, our priority focus is not on the fund. We want them to bootstrap, to work with the minimum resources possible, and instead of complaining, we want them to be able to deliver with the kind of environment we have.
And 2 or 3 of those startups, give me some idea of who they are.
So we have a company like AgriInfo, which they are giving a solution for landowners, and they're trying to solve land ownership conflicts. So you can log in your land, and you can get your physical location, and you can monitor it remotely from your own PC. We have a project like Soccer, which covers the local football league, and they have a user base of more than 9,000 people using the application. We have applications like Time Tickets, which allow people to buy tickets digitally using their mobile phone. The platform has been integrated with mobile money, and it's one of the most convenient ways of buying tickets.
And they've been working with the local food festival?
Yeah, they've been working with one of the largest food festivals in Dar es Salaam, which caters for more than 10,000 people, and they're getting commissioned for every ticket they sell digitally.
That's the Nyama Choma Festival?
Yeah, Nyama Choma Festival, yeah.
And what barriers are there? What are the key 2 or 3 barriers, do you think?
So the biggest barrier, first of all, is funding, especially for early stage entrepreneur when they want to take off, because the idea is there, the prototype is there. When it comes now to scale out and to reach even more people and to target even a bigger market, you need more funds. So funding is one of the biggest obstacles. But again, another challenge is the ecosystem, in terms of having the right kind of mentor, having the right kind of investors, having the proper policies to support, having regulations that help them to push their product as fast as possible in the market. Yeah.
So those are the main ones?
Yeah, those are the main 2 challenges that are facing entrepreneurs in Tanzania, I would say.